ओम दम धन्वंतरे नमः। रागादिरोगान् सततान् शक्तान् अशेषकायान् प्रसुतान् शेषान् औत्सुक्यमोहान् रतिदान् जघान योपूर्ववैद्याय नमोस्तस्मै। So today's topic is pulmonary edema. Pulmonary edema is usually occurs due to left ventricular failure. The conditions where volume overload is there, and then there will be increased cardiac output, there will be dilatation of the left hypertrophy of the left ventricle, and there will be left ventricular failure. Left ventricular failure leads to the pulmonary edema. So, X-ray finding in pulmonary edema are prominence of upper zone vessels, that is antler sign, and diminution of lower zone vessels, Kerley A, B, C lines, butterfly shadow or bat swing appearance, and pleural effusion. So, it is due to interstitial edema, lymphatic edema, and alveolar edema. Interstitial edema causes Kerley ABC lines, and lymphatic edema will lead to the butterfly shadow or bat swing appearance, and then complication is the pleural effusion. So, actually, butterfly shadow is seen due to alveolar edema. So here it is, the figure shows the antler sign. You can see the arrow mark where there is prominence of upper zone vessels are seen in the X-ray. This is the diagrammatic representation. It is known as antler sign, like horns of an antler. It is seen white shadow. That is the antler sign. So these are seen in left ventricular failure and pulmonary edema. There will be cardiomegaly, and there will be antler sign or prominence of the upper zone vessels, and Kerley A, B, C lines, and pleural effusion, butterfly shadow or bat swing appearance, and pleural effusion. So Kerley A, B, C lines, the Kerley A lines, they are the parallel lines, thin lines in the apex of the lungs. B lines, they are at the base of the lungs, they are within parallel lines towards the center. And C lines in the center of the lungs, there will be small, tiny parallel lines are seen. That is Kerley C lines. That is seen in pulmonary edema. And right pleural effusion is seen in the diagram. That's it. So there will be obliteration of the costophrenic angle due to fluid. So this is bat swing appearance or butterfly shadow. You can see the alveolar edema. That is in the alveoli there will be collection of the fluid that leads to patchy white opacity in both sides of the heart. That is looking like a bat's wing appearance or butterfly shadow. That is also found in pulmonary edema. So pulmonary edema, you can see here the prominence of the upper zone vessels, isn't it? And the cardiomegaly is there. Prominence of upper zone vessels or antler sign, and Kerley ABC lines. This is a huge pleural effusion. This one, pulmonary edema. You can see obliteration of the air shadow. So white shadow is in both right lungs and the left lungs. So this is also pleural effusion also there. So some similar conditions like bronchopneumonia, acute pulmonary edema, secondary carcinomatosis, and fungal infections. These usually are similar in X-ray findings. Bronchopneumonia is caused due to the pneumonia, the fluid aspiration into the lungs, and there will be white opacity, patchy white opacity there. Acute pulmonary edema, that is acute condition. Secondary carcinomatosis, that is the carcinoma in secondaries in the lungs that also produce a similar patchy white opacity. Fungal infections also cause patchy white opacity in the lungs. This is a Kerli B lines. B stands for base. You can see parallel lines in the base of the lungs. Left lung. This is bronchopneumonia. You will see X-ray finding is patchy white opacity in discrete opacity in the lungs. Isn't it? That is due to bronchopneumonia. Bronchopneumonia is usually caused after anesthesia and surgery. There will be fluid aspiration into the lungs and bronchial tree, and there will be bronchopneumonia. So pulmonary edema, you can see cardiomegaly, and you can see the bad swing appearance. So here it is a bronchopneumonia. The similar structure is seen. There is a discrete white opacity or cotton wool-like fluffy opacity is seen in the both of the lungs, both lungs. The pulmonary edema, here you can see metralization of the heart, cardiomegaly, and bad swing appearance is also seen. So here the similar this one, cardiomegaly, Kerli ABC lines, and pleural effusion, right pleural effusion. Pulmonary edema, you can see the pleural effusion in the right side, and left side also pleural effusion is there, and hilar shafts are prominent. Isn't it? And cardiomegaly, huge cardiomegaly is there. Left ventricular hypertrophy is there. Isn't it? So here the Kerli A lines. A stands for apex, and in the pulmonary in lung apex of the lung, there is a parallel lines towards the hilum in the periphery. They are the Kerli A lines. So pulmonary edema, similar another X-ray which shows pulmonary edema. You can see bad swing appearance. Isn't it? So it's clear. On both sides of the heart, there is in the lungs, there is a pulmonary edema. That was bad swing appearance or butterfly shadow. So pulmonary edema here also you can see the phantom tumor. You can see in the between the upper and middle and lower lobe. There is fluid collection in the fissure, and that causes a tumor-like structure. That is a phantom tumor. The same patient, if you give diuretic therapy after 1 week, the shadow disappears. This is phantom tumor. You can see in the right lungs, in the lower lobe and the middle lobe, there is a white shadow is there. There is a fluid collection in the pleural cavity. That is the phantom tumor. That is usually seen in pulmonary edema. If you give diuretics for a week, that it will disappear. So this is bronchopneumonia. You can see patchy white opacity, cotton blue like fluff nature. The pulmonary edema, another X-ray, you can see pleural effusion on the right side. Right side pleural effusion is there. That is due to pulmonary edema. This is here a huge pleural effusion is there in the right side, right lungs. And left lungs also pleural effusion is there. So ground glass appearance is there. That is due to pulmonary edema. So here also you can see phantom tumor on the between the middle and the lower lobe of the right lungs, and you can see the pleural effusion, the costophrenic angle in the right side and left side both there is obliterated. There is cardiomegaly also in this X-ray. So bronchopneumonia, you can see cotton wool like fluffy nature or shadow is seen, discrete shadows are seen in the right lung. So today we have discussed the pulmonary edema, the X-ray findings. Pulmonary edema X-ray findings are: number one, antler sign, prominence of the upper zone vessels is known as antler sign, like horns of an antler. Number two, diminution of the lower zone vessels. Number three, Kerli A, B, and C lines. Number four, butterfly shadow or bird swing appearance. Number five, there will be pleural effusion. These are the findings of pulmonary edema. Pulmonary edema usually occurs due to left ventricular failure as a sequelae of left ventricular failure. And left ventricular failure is usually seen because of persistent systemic hypertension, then myocardial infarction, acute myocardial infarction complication, then valvular defects, cardiomyopathy. Thank you for patient hearing.